Tired of pet hair taking over your home and car? Say goodbye to endless cleaning with the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Furbuster AdvancedClean. This isn't your average handheld vacuum. The powerful 20V max lithium-ion battery delivers impressive suction, easily tackling even the most stubborn pet hair and debris. Need extra power? Activate PowerBoost mode with the touch of a button for those extra tough messes. The anti-tangle motorized pet brush with rubber bristles lifts and removes embedded dirt and fur effortlessly. Plus, the XL extendable crevice tool reaches those hard-to-clean spots under furniture, in the car, anywhere. Cleaning up is a breeze with the one-touch empty dust bowl. No messy hands required. Lightweight and cordless, it's perfect for both home and car use. Compact design makes storage simple. Upgrade your cleaning routine today. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Furbuster AdvancedClean is the #1 brand in handheld vacuums. For a reason. Visit our product page now to learn more and order yours. Link to product page.